Don't spend money buying a mini monitor for your setup. If you have an old Android phone or tablet sitting in a drawer, you can turn it into a high refresh rate second screen for completely free. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Space Desk over both Wi-Fi and USB. First, let's set up your computer. Open your browser, head over to spacedesk.net, and download the 64-bit Windows driver. Run the installer, accept the network permissions, and complete the setup. Next, grab your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store, search for Space Desk, and install the app. Make sure both your PC and phone are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Open the Space Desk app on your phone. You should see your PC's name appear automatically. Just tap on it, and boom! Your phone is now displaying your Windows desktop. If you want zero lag for streaming or gaming, plug your phone into your PC with a USB cable. On your phone, go to Network Settings and turn on USB tethering. Open Space Desk again, tap the local USB address, and you'll get a rock-solid, low-latency connection. To turn it into a true second monitor, press Windows key plus P on your keyboard and select Extend. Then, right-click your desktop, open Display Settings, and drag display number 2 to match where your phone sits on your desk. Now you can drag Discord, Spotify, or your OBS Stream Chat right onto your phone screen. You can even use touch controls directly on your phone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop any questions down in the comments below.